winter storm hit southern Ontario just before midnight Sunday. Much of Toronto has received 37 centimeters of snow so far. By the end of the day, up to 60 centimeters of snow can fall in the city and its environs. Wind gusts of up to 60 kilometers per hour, combined with hourly snowfall of 8 to 10 centimeters, create dangerous conditions for drivers and passengers. The snow is falling so fast that as soon as the road crews remove it, it begins to pile up again. About 1,000 pieces of equipment are involved in clearing the roads. Toronto Police announced the temporary closure of the Don Valley Parkway and Gardiner Expressway, two of the city's main arteries, due to extreme weather. Thousands of cars are stranded on Highway 401 in Toronto. The blizzard is caused by a low-pressure system south of the Great Lakes, according to Environment Canada. The last time Toronto had more than 25 centimeters of snow in a day was in 2019, and the last time it exceeded 30 centimeters was in 2008. The largest single-day snowfall recorded at the Pearson Measuring Station was 45.5 centimeters in February 1965.